So I went to Harbor Freight yesterday, and I was looking at the clearance aisle, and I found this DADO set on sale for $27, and then I had a 25% off coupon, so it came to be $22 when it was all said and done. I had to make a zero clearance thing for it, but all I did was take it to the bandsaw over there and just cut out another piece, and then take it to the sander and sand down the edges, and then putting those in. I've seen a lot of reviews on the Harbor Freight stuff, and this is a different one because this one was not in the $50 range. So I'm not sure, but I used it just once, went through that, and it went right through it. I was really nervous to use it, but so far so good. I've only used it once, so I'm gonna keep going with it. But it is the Harbor Freight DADO set. I'm not sure if you can even find it because it was on clearance. But it comes with, up to 3/4 inch, and then you got the gap spacers and stuff like that. So you can fine tune it to exact what you want. So I've seen some reviews, and the people never really used it. So what I want to do, I'm going to set it up, and I'm going to do a couple reviews, things. I went through oak just a minute. I'm making some planners, and I wanted the centers to be that. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up the camera, and I'm going to do a couple passes, and we'll see how it turns out. All right, got a piece of scrap here, but I just want to kind of play with it, see how it goes. So here we got, if you could see real close down there, there is just a little bit of a difference from the inside things, and I'm not sure if that's something I did wrong or what, but for $22, man, that thing just went right through the pine like butter. So I'm pretty impressed with this. So I mean, what we could do is just take this thing and go back and forth to get those things knocked out. So I'm not too worried about it. For what I use it for, this is going to be perfect. But I have only used it a couple times, so we will see and how the teeth hold up. So, but the package was weird. It didn't really have much in it. There was just something that said that. I can't even really find the paperwork for it. So, oh, here we go. So we got the read warning instructions. I was nervous. Here's the part number. Part number 40745. But man, I like it. Thumbs up for me.